So Gustavo brought in some tools for us to try out. We got hole punches and dimple dies, and we're gonna do we did a hole punch, and now we're gonna do a dimple die in our door panel here. See that little guy pressing up in there? Pressure off here. Now we got our little sconcy guy for our handle crank. This isn't actually the one I'm using. This is our test one. So this was just a test. And I wasn't completely satisfied with how it went, so I made another one. But I do like how that's working out, and I think that's what we'll do for all our door handles. I think our window cranks we're gonna eliminate because we're gonna have power windows anyways. I'm hoping to get like a grab handle because these doors don't have anywhere you can close them. Hoping to put a grab handle here that has the switch on the top of it, you know.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay. Now we got to go, and it's time to go. I think that we all know that Johnny Boy is on his way. Jump in the car, Murphy is the gas. Doesn't take long before we hear the silence blast. But we all stay calm, cause there ain't no way. Yeah, we all stay calm, cause there ain't none of those coppers gonna lock us up today. No way.
Alright, so I think that's that. Got it matched nice down the back here. We got our lines. I took a little bit out of here and kind of pinched this up so it would curve a little bit and kind of match up to these corners a little better. And got our bevel there for our handle. Should be like that. And so shut these here so we can kind of see it from the inside. A really hard piece to make, lining up all those holes and everything. It's not easy, but look pretty good. The body lines kind of continue along through everything. See down here, but our lines lined up there. That's the second one we built for the front. Ended up this first one just wasn't quite right, and so I tried her again, and it's better. But yeah, trucking along, I guess. That's the last one. Block, 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 block. Not on my block. Yesterday, I finished up making our upper door panels. And so far, I'm really happy with them. You know, I mean, that was a very hard piece to make. I'm pretty proud of the result. I think this door was the same as the front two doors, running a smaller thread on these guys. So I drilled them out, tapped them. The end plates here are all the same though. They're all using this bigger thread. The front two doors and these on this door, we're running that 10, I think it's a 1024 thread. I'm gonna drill them all out so we can run the same screws all the way across the board here. A little bit of work, but you know, what isn't? And then I hope to start making something for this. I want to have a seam here, kind of like make this same kind of deal. I'll have a folded seam here. I'll have bead roll, and then I don't know if I'll do anything on the bottom here. I might do the bead rolls to kind of line up with the bumpy bumps there, but I might not. I might just leave that smooth, do our 2 bead rolls and fold it over. But I need to make something that covers these pockets, and so I'd like to figure that out. I also need to start on the rear bumper. I'm trying to do fabrication while Gustavo does body work and Jared does electrical and mechanical. Try to make that kind of the way we're working our team here. But yeah, just stoked on how the door panels turned out. You can see the handles aren't clocked quite right, but they're on a keyway, like same as a window crank, so they literally go in any position. This one was a little yacked, so it's kind of sitting further up. Eventually we're going to, you know, get new handles and stuff, so that isn't mattering too much right now. I also need to get in here and put our bows back in for our headliner. There's also that big chunk that goes in there for that front curved piece, and I need to make sure that that's all good. I don't know, we put in these grab handles. The customer wanted grab handles, and these ones were cool because they kind of do this slow fade away. How nifty is that? That's the kind of stuff that you can find out of any vehicle. You want grab handles? Cool. Literally, you can use any vehicle, you know, anything that you'd like. And something like that is kind of neat. I also want to make a part that kind of, the headliner is going to come down, and I'd like to make a trim piece that's going to cover that, the edge of the headliner. So instead of using like a, I mean, we'll probably use some sort of hide-em, or forget what they call them. I know what they call them, and it's hard to find if you don't know the name of it. It's a I don't know, they're these little grabby pieces. They have these little spikes on them, and they screw into the side here, and it's kind of like what they use on carpet, where they end it. You know, if it was to transition from like carpet to wood or something, they have this little metal strip that kind of pinches on it. It's kind of the same thing. I'd like to do something up there that we can do that will hide that, and also I'd like it to have kind of a illumination that's hidden, so the round piece, kind of trim piece, kind of comes, and then there's a light inside of it that illuminates up onto the headliner there, and we'll probably just use like a LED light strip. So kind of a combination of a few things there. I'd like it to turn on with the, you know, when you open up the doors, and so complex as usual. But yeah, I'm just gonna try to get some fab work done here, and yeah, hopefully we can get this interior primed, blocked, and painted, which is our next part we're gonna paint, and then we'll get back on the outside. But you can kind of see that angled bead roll that I put on there kind of lines up nice with the dash and stuff. We'll paint the whole interior in a flat tan, and we'll paint the dash pieces in the flat tan. A lot of the dash is probably going to get upholstered, but you know, we can get it the right color first of all in case of any edges show or anything like that. What else? I don't know. There's always something else. So just stay tuned. And please like and subscribe. My views have been down a little bit, and that makes me a sad panda.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.